What it do, YouTube? Back with another one. Hold on, let me bring that. I told y'all I'm gonna have the music video playing while riding. Just so happened to be a rainy day again in the Ville. I don't know what it is with the Ville. We love rainy days. Right now I got that Star Lead on band play. I ain't playing right now. I'm actually supposed to take a different way. I just now remember. But I hope y'all had a great day or your day is going well. I ain't forgot about y'all. I really missed y'all. That's why I'm uploading so much. And shout out to all the new subscribers. Hey, more content coming soon. I got another car. If you watch some of the older videos, you know what the other car is. But I got another car. It's an old school. And real soon, just not real soon, like real soon. It might drop. If I don't do the long stream, it's dropping Christmas Eve. If I do the long stream, I'm gonna do it Christmas Day. I'm gonna record it Christmas Day and drop the same day, and vice versa. If I'm not doing the long stream, I'm recording it Christmas Eve and I'm dropping it Christmas Eve. Hey, in the comment section, if you know the car, drop it in the comments. If you want to just guess, hey, drop that in the comment section too. I got McDonald's. Police still right there. I swear they was there at 10:30. It's 11:44. And they still right there. And one of them standing out in the rain. This song is Ride Way 25. Oh, they got the road blocked off now. Hey, listen, the road wasn't blocked off when I came by. They had a car pulled over. It was two police cars. No more. It don't excite me no more. No more. Hey, he snapped with that song. I'm just give y'all my top 5 artists I listen to right now. One, I'm gonna give my top 5 I listen to. Then I'm gonna give you my actual top 5 of all time. Like my top 5 of all time is I'll just play it and I know the words by the song word for word. Like no skips. So right now, my top 5 to listen to is Starlito, Trapper Mandel. This is not in order either. Don Tripp, Drake, Rod Wave. That's my top 5 to listen to right now. And I'm talking about rap. R&B, totally different thing. But rap, Star is number 1. We won't. The rest of them is not in order, but it's Trapper Mandel, Don Tripp, Drake, Rod Wave. But you want my top 5 of all time? And I'm talking about not ranking them based off like, general. It's the people I like to listen to. My top 5 of all time is not in order, but it's J. Cole, Starlito, All-Star Cashville Prince, if you know from back in the day, before he changed his rap name. 3, Lil Wayne. Now, again, it's not in order, but the third person is Lil Wayne. I just didn't want y'all to get confused with the 2 names I said prior. So third person is Lil Wayne. 4th, Drake. Then 5. Oh man. It might be Don Tripp. He held it down since 2011. Then honorable mention is Young Dolph. Just honorable mention. What is this? This is Eddie Valero. I'm trying to remember songs with band play. It's like Lero Band. Yeah, Lero Band plays the name of the song. I ain't gonna lie, Eddie Valero moving up there too, like right now. He's like a cool 7-8. And then the honorable mention of all time is Wale too. A lot of people sleep on him, but Wale, yeah. Ambition. Ambitious women or ambitious, I sound like I'm cursing. Ambitious woman or lady or girl. Classic. What was it? 11-11. The mixtape. What was the mixtape called? It before Forlorn. I think Forlorn came out on 11-11. So he called it the mixtape. But yeah, classics. If y'all ain't heard of them, y'all might want to go and any of them people I named, y'all should go take a listen to. If you listen to any of them people, hey, drop in the comments which one of those people you listen to. I don't want to go down Broadway this time. I'm gonna go down. Is it Church Street? I'm gonna go all the way down Church Street till we get to the park. Then come down Centennial, not end off by the bus stop. Do a different little route, paper route. Shout out to Paper Route, Empire. Yes, sir. I don't know how many songs I'm gonna be able to let y'all know the name of. I might forget. And this is like random songs that's pulling up. Like only the first 2 songs is something I already had playing. So I just literally went back and went forward after that. I had to play that Lido because that one just dropped. You know, no paid promotion. Just one of my favorite artists of all time. That became my top 2 artists to listen to when I first got a car back in 09. Lil Wayne just got locked up, so this Rodway Passport Junkies. But Lil Wayne just got locked up. I was like, who I'm gonna bump in the car? Who gonna drop new music for me? So at that time, him and the Joker. Like, my name is Joker. Yeah, him. They had it down in high school. But Lido got me from high school, college, adulthood, past adulthood. Yeah, he held it down. I got on him back when I was in 6th grade. So it's like 04, 05 when I got on him. And he had that song, Grey Goose. And the version I heard, I didn't hear the original. And I found out years later it was original. But the version I heard was the one with him, Yo Gotti, and Young Jeezy. And, boy, I say everybody, I'm just saying for my middle school, you had to be on that song. Like, you had to know that song word for word. Like, when Jeezy came on, I'm on that Grey Goose, cranberry, and that pineapple, and I bush like a pineapple, Young Rich. Hey, I buy the whole bar. I'm in Cashville, and I'm with All Star. Hey, you had to know it. When it dropped, you had to know it. I'm just saying. Then don't get confused. We was never cool. Hey, I'm just saying, you had to know this stuff. It was like if you wanted to pass that grade, you had to know that song type. Like, if you wanted to pass whatever grade you was in at that time in my middle school, you had to know that song. Like, the teachers like low-key checking you. Like, hey, you know that Grey Goose song? We can't move on to the next grade unless you know that song. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm dead serious, though. Like, it's factual. I ain't gonna lie, the camera moves up on its own. Like me no more, no more. I think from here on out might just be ride wave only. I get all his stuff just YouTube automatically got it queued up. I ain't gonna lie, they making rumors up so quick. So they rescheduled his show. And before they even announced the reschedule, he ain't put off the flyer, nothing yet. Oh man, he canceled a show in Nashville. He canceled a show. It's because he got to arguing with a girl from Nashville, and he don't want to come to Nashville because he got to arguing with a girl. I was like, huh? Are you for real? You told me he got an argument with, was it the promoter? Like, why is it? Like, focus on the road camera. I don't have it set to detect people. Just stay focused, Cap. They finally clearing some of this stuff up over here. Got the college TSU downtown campus. I ain't gonna lie, that building hard with the blue lights. I'm not sure them condos or not, but it's kind of funny. Right across, gonna be some more condos. Well, the line ain't turning because you always pass the line. The weight thing is right here. And literally, you might as well run the light at this point. I think some people don't understand, like, some lights not running on cameras weight off a wire weight thing. So if you all the way up there, it's not weighing that your car is present. It's saying there's nobody there, so it's not gonna do the light. Hey, that's called me being intelligent because it's literally about to change because I moved up. So don't put in the comments, he don't know nothing. Like, I literally worked with somebody who told me how it works because he said he used to do it. He used to do the construction on the road, putting a wire weight line down to detect when a car is present, to let it know to change the light. Some lights don't automatically change. If it don't feel a car present, it will run it green again. Just keep it green. And post it up. They trying to clean it up down here. Like that. There's just so much construction at one time. That's what get on my nerves. They're like, do one thing at a time. Why y'all got construction going on both sides of the street? Yes, sir. NES. Turn your lights off real quick. Like real quick. Like real quick. Like quick. Like, why am I alone in this? I might do a Reddit reaction soon. I just gotta learn how it works. And like, do I actually have to create a Reddit account to do it? Or can I just go find the videos on my own? I just go search like top 100 videos on TikTok and Instagram. And just go from there, see what it do. Once I figure it out, I'm gonna do a whole stream of reactions. Oh God, dang this road. Oh, it's time for a change. Don't laugh at my singing. I can really sing. I just don't want to sing for real for y'all. Because y'all not paying me. You gotta pay me to sing for real. It don't excite me no more, no more. We made it to the park. Continue. Right by the West End. Fellas, the first date ain't gotta spend no money. First date can be at the park. Back in the day, either date number 1 or number 2 is gonna be here. The only reason why date number 1 wasn't here is because either it's a movie I want to see or we going to the haunted house. It was that type of season. Hey, outside of that, first date, we at the park. No lie. No cap in my route. Free first date. You ain't gotta spend no money. I remember I read this book. I can't remember the title, so I ain't gonna say it. If you wanna know the title, just comment and I'll get that title of that book for you. But it was talking about like the rules of macking. Not pimping, but macking. And it was like, I understand time has changed, money, inflation. But what was it? On the first date, you shouldn't spend no more than, I want to say the book said $20, but the book is made in the 90s. It might have said 50, because that's the rule I go by now. It's like, I ain't spend no more than $50 on the first date. That's just because I'm looking at movie prices, because like movies was a suggestion in there. And it gave tips of like how to make the date free. Like, you can convince the girl to make the date free. Like, you use her words against her to make the date free. But you have to read the book. I'm not giving out no free game. You can actually find the book for free, but I suggest purchasing it. If you want to know the name of the book, I'm not gatekeeping. Just comment, and I got you. But yeah, movie ticket prices went up. I think like, depending on what time and what movie it is, one ticket can be $21. And it's just for regular seating. $21. So 21 times 2 is 42. And now I ain't buying no snacks, just for the simple point of we only got $8 left on this max on the first date. And I ain't saying later on, I went the wrong way. I went the wrong way. Yeah, this cool. We about to hit some back roads and pop back out. I was supposed to go right. Well, you know what? Let's take them down through the hood. We're gonna go down Jefferson. Yes, sir, down Jefferson. Yeah, that's just my rule for a first date. And don't listen to nobody when they say the movies is a bad first date. It's not. They were like, well, you can't talk and get to know the person. You make it to the movies early enough, you can talk before the movie starts. Just think about it now. Let's put this in perspective. The movie credits is 20 minutes long. That means you got 20 minutes of talking, and you can talk on the way to the theater. So you make it 5 minutes before, put it like this, the time that they say the movie start, that's when the 20 minutes credit starts. So if you make it there 5 minutes for the time of the movie say, you got 25 minutes. That means you got 5 minutes to walk to the theater and talk. But hey, you ain't gotta listen to me. You ain't gotta listen to me. I know this is factual, big facts. And again, I don't do movie dates just to spend time with the person. I'm not saying that's not the goal, but I'm picking a movie that I want to see. I'm not just saying, hey, it's nothing out. Let's go see a movie that neither one of us want to go see. No, that's a terrible date. Especially if the movie's terrible and y'all didn't want to see it. Now, if the movie was good and y'all might looked up, but yeah, I definitely say try to keep that first date cheap and just really just try to vibe with that person. You ain't gotta go spend $200 on no food. And the book even tell you how like you can get out of a food date and make it free. Y'all have a food date, but you ain't had to go nowhere and you made it free. On the first date. You gotta eat. And there's just some certain codes I live by from that. A lot of stuff I already live by reading it, but it was like, oh, that's why I think like this. Even though I wasn't taught, but it's like, I guess it was just instilled in me without ever being told to me. Like how you know how you just had that feeling like I shouldn't do that. So I still live by those rules. Like you should never pay for a woman's service. That should be free. I'm not saying you can't bless a woman, but you shouldn't be tricking in hopes to have that exchange. You see what I'm saying? It's pretty much free. And I can't remember if it's in that book or another book. If you have a hard time spitting game, he got in that book or the other book. I read both of them, but I already had like my own game plan. And he had some in the book saying you shouldn't do, but I always did it anyways. And on it one time, Because I'm the person, I don't want nobody, because I wouldn't do it, just me personally. I won't settle to help a friend out. Like, I'm not about to go talk to an ugly girl and get her attention in a way that she thinks she got a chance with me. I'm not saying I wouldn't have a conversation with her, but I'm saying if I don't find her attractive, I'm not about to dance with her. I'm not about to, girl, you so cute. You, like, they're about to run it. Security about to lose their job. But yeah, it's just me. I don't prefer to do that. I'm not a person that know how to fake it. And I feel like if you say your game is that tight, I had this happen plenty of times where the friend tried to block and it didn't work. It was one time, it was a friend that was trying to block because the girl had a gal, but that wasn't really she was blocking. It was because she wanted me and found out like 45 minutes or an hour later. That's why she was blocking the whole time. Like, damn, you could have just said that at first. You didn't have to, get out of her chair. Get up. Move. Just stand up. Just say you wanted me. You ain't got to do all the extra. Your friend is not complaining. You know, you say she got a dude. She's not complaining about sharing the seat with me. It ain't like she's sitting in my lap. We just sitting next to each other in a chair. But it was like basically never talk to a group of girls by yourself. You should always have enough guys where every woman has attention, so no one feel left out, and that way they don't block and try to, you feel me? Come here, time to go. I had one time, the conversation didn't have to end, but it was like, this is the people you hang out with. I'm really not interested in continue this conversation. So it was at a bar downtown. Oh, cool little conversation, laughing, giggling. We chopping it up. We were about to exchange contact information. Then her friend walked up. Her friend walked up and was like, hey, are you gonna buy me a drink? I was like, whoa. I just got silent. Her friend looked at her, looked at me, stared at her friend, and was looking like, what did you just say? Like, why would you even say that type? And we just walked out to our separate ways. Like, we had an understanding at that point. Like she didn't even walk up and say, hey, are you gonna buy us a drink? She wanted a drink from herself from me because I was talking to her friend. Like, who do you think you are? You don't have no man talking to you because your friend is attractive. You think you should get a drink. Cut it out. Cut it out. Ma'am, I hope her friend had a long conversation like, you should never do that again. Like, and put this also in perspective. We're nowhere near the bar. We literally outside. We on the rooftop outside of the bar area, like literally outside. Like, we're probably 30 to 40 feet away from the bar. like it's like a section off. It was sectioned off like upstairs to the corner, and the bar is right back down the steps inside of the building. And she literally walked up and said, "Hey, you gonna buy me a drink?" Conversation just died right there. Nobody else said a word. Well, you know, I'm pretty successful in my wordonomics. My wordonomics is very good. It's like you gotta be quick on your feet. It's like you gotta be. She say something, being smart in a funny way, not like intelligent smart, but like a smart, like you think you're smart. Yeah, that. Like you gotta be quick on your feet, but you gotta be funny, and it can't be demeaning or hateful. It gotta be like, "Oh, you from such and such?" Something like that. I heard about y'all. Y'all little, you know. But you don't say nothing. I just heard about y'all. Y'all kind of, and they know the stereotypes of where they from. But you also gotta be knowledgeable of where these places are. Like you can't be saying, "I heard y'all." Boy, they got a town of 37 people. You know you ain't heard nothing about that town. Like, nah. You gotta be, yeah, you gotta know a little something. Like she say she from Memphis. Like you from, I heard. Yeah, y'all. What you heard? I heard. Well, we not like that. Yeah, you say that until you get mad. You probably in here right now with, you feel me? Nothing hateful, but just playful, make her laugh. Put it like that, you can make her laugh 7 out of 10 times if you can keep her laughing, not just one laugh. It's like you do comedy and you bombed on stage, but you made them laugh one time. They probably not gonna follow you on social media. So you can make her laugh multiple times consistently, and without her feeling like and like cringy. Like you shouldn't be making her laugh with sexual jokes. Sexual jokes is meant for somebody you're actually dealing with. Like y'all are talking in that manner. And if it is on the first night, let her lead with that. As a man, you shouldn't lead with that. But yeah, if you want to get to it, get to it. Just little tips. I ain't gonna have much for you. You gotta do your own research, or just ask me, and I could do a car ride video with tips of it. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all next time. Godspeed.